The Museum of Jewish Theatre in Romania, opened in Iași, the city where the first professional Yiddish-language theatre in the world was founded in 1876, aims to reconstruct important moments in the history of Jewish theatre and capitalize on the legacy of cultural institutions representative for it in Romania. Located on the ground floor of the House of Museums, it includes a permanent exhibition distributed over 11 rooms. The Abraham Goldfaden room illustrates, through a manuscript notebook, photographs and posters, the birth of Yiddish theatre in the world and the life of its founder, Abraham Goldfaden, considered the father of Jewish theatre. 2 halls are dedicated to the beginnings of Jewish theatre, 19th and 20th centuries, and contain posters and other original documents, which testify to the performances of Goldfaden's troupe around the country, in the period after the performances at the Pomul Verde garden in Iași. The permanent exhibition continues with 4 rooms dedicated to the State Jewish Theatre of Iași, 1949 to 1963, which contain advertising posters of the institution's first years, a puppet show set, props, programs, a costume workshop, models of the building demolished in 1963, and a gallery with photographs of the State Jewish Theatre of Iași Company. The next 2 rooms are dedicated to the Baraskian Theatre, a Jewish variety theatre, active in Bucharest between 1941 and 1945. Here the visitors can find photos, a replica of a costume belonging to Sarah Cantor, playbills and programs. The room dedicated to the State Jewish Theatre of Bucharest reflects the history of this cultural institution, established on August 1, 1948, still operating today, with an uninterrupted activity since establishment. Props, photographs, posters, and a screen on which movies and film shows will be projected are the main features of this room. The last room is interactive, with the walls lined with posters of Jewish performances in Iași and Bucharest. Here, children will be able to interact and engage in various theater-related activities. On this day event is an educational project. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.